Okay, so if you're somebody who's looking for a legitimate way to make money on the internet right now, listen up. Do hub-centric affiliate business model. This is the secret affiliate model nobody's talking about that I'm using, and it's currently generating me insane commissions. As a matter of fact, the latest campaign I just ran utilizing this model, we sold software. It generated over $520,000 in 5 days in sales, selling somebody else's product. This is that certain way of doing affiliate marketing that virtually nobody knows about, and it's the same model that companies such as Expedia, the NerdWallet, the Bankrate, the Penny Hoarder, right? They all have this model, and it's making them hundreds of millions of dollars through affiliate commissions. If you want to know exactly how to do it, I'm holding a free class for the first time ever. This is a deep dive. And this is not a course for you to buy. This is not some kind of a business opportunity for you to get into or whatever. We are on a mission to change affiliate marketing forever and help millions of people, perhaps just like you. Click on the link, check out this free web class I'm hosting here, and I'm going to set you up with a turnkey affiliate business in a box solution, if you want, that can have you be up and running in 7 days, ready to generate commissions. Real deal business. Click on the link. I'll see you on the webinar.